Hi, gang. We're going to chat a little bit about what's happening with the virus, the Wuhan virus, or whatever you want to call it. The reason I'm talking about it is I've had several conversations with people in higher education about what's happening on their campus and, generally what's happened to them as a result of the virus and the dictate that students not be on campus. And so all classes at the universities I've talked to people at have mandated that the courses be offered online. And some of these folks have never offered a class online and have given like 7 days maybe to develop the class and put it online. They got a lot of support from tech, but it's a difficult thing. Anyway, I spent 34 years at Washington State University, and I've spent the last 14 years teaching online classes for Gonzaga. And I kind of watched this online development as it's been happening, and what's just now happened as a result of the virus is that virtually everyone on a campus is going to be familiar with doing classes online. Their classes will be online. And that means it's possible to deliver virtually all of their programs online. And this movement has been happening for some time, since online courses first made their appearance. Online courses first made their appearance. We've gotten more and more and more, and more students enrolling in. The program I teach in at Gonzaga, Communication and Leadership, has been online completely. They don't have any students on campus. So now what's going to happen is more of the courses at Gonzaga and other universities like Washington State, Tacoma Community College, my alma mater here, Arizona Western, my Montana Western College. They'd kill me if I said Arizona Western College. I did teach at Arizona Western College at one time. But anyway, at the University of Montana Western is what they call it now. They're online. So I think the movement is going to be toward online campuses instead of on-campus campuses. And you're not going to have the same kind of experience at college as you used to have. It's not going to happen tomorrow or the next day. My granddaughter is going into high school this year, and I said something about, wow, this means universities are going to go online, programs are going to be online. And she's very disappointed because, she wants to go to college and get away from her folks and stay in the dorm and do all the things that college students do. She thought tomorrow it's going to happen. It's not going to happen tomorrow. But I think there's a movement in that direction, and eventually we'll have virtual campuses rather than actual brick and mortar campuses. The thing that's going to drive that is costs. It's a lot cheaper to deliver these classes online than it is with brick and mortar buildings that have upkeep and dorms and cafeterias and all of the stuff that goes with a campus. I just checked what it would cost at Montana Western, University of Montana Western. It would be about $6,500 a semester for everything. And if you didn't go on campus, it'd cost you about $3,000. So you could save $3,600 by staying home. Chances are all of that will go down a bit once these things are in place. So anyway, that's my take on that, how things are moving in that direction. I'm going to talk sometime about what this will do to the courses themselves, what they're going to look like instead of what they look like live on campus. So next time with that.